friends, this is Sairam back again. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna give the clarity and clear information about best mobiles under 10,000 rupees guys. And before that, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. Let's come back to the mobiles. And the first mobile is Redmi 9 Prime, which comes with 6.53 inch display, and it's a 4G mobile with quad camera, and the quad camera is of 13MP, 5MP, 2MP and 8MP, and which comes with 18 watts fast charger and with the type C port, and the front camera comes with 16 megapixel with 4 variants of blue, green, purple and orange. Yes guys, and next charger. The charging is of 5000 mAh battery. The phone contains with a 5000 mAh battery with 18 watts charger. It almost takes 2.5 hours to get charged with 18 watts. And guys, the next mobile is Realme Azo 20. The Realme Azo 20 comes with 6000 mAh battery and the 48 megapixel camera, and it's a triple camera guys, and it comes with type C cable, and it's a good upgrade for the Realme mobiles. And guys, the selfie camera is of 8 megapixel. It's a some low thing, but the front camera, main camera comes with 48 megapixel guys. And next, the screen size is of 6.5 inch. Yes guys, and the box, inside the box we are gonna get 18 watts fast charger with the mobile, and guys G85 processor, which is a good gaming processor guys. And totally the phone is nice. It's a nice update. It's a nice thing from the Realme guys. Under the budget, it's of 10,499. If you spend more 500 rupees, you are gonna get this phone. Yes guys, it's actually the features, if you maintain the features of this, the phone original cost of the phone should be at least of 13,000 or 14,000, but you're getting it for 10,500. It is available on Flipkart guys, you can go buy. And next mobile is Moto E7 Plus. This phone comes with massive 5000 mAh battery with a 48 megapixel. Inside box you get a 10 watt charger. This phone does not support any 18 watt charger or adapter. And next, this comes with a 6.5 inch display and with a fingerprint sensor. The great thing is that you are getting 48 megapixel camera with a 5000 mAh battery guys. It's a nice thing, and the design is also pretty good under the Moto company, and a nice upgrade from the Moto. Under the budget, it's of 4GB 64GB variant with 9,500 rupees guys. If you're interested, you can buy this also. Yeah guys, it's a Motorola, you can enjoy it. Guys, the next phone is Infinix Art 9, which comes with Snapdragon of processor P22. It's not it's a slow processor, but the overall the phone is nice with a 4GB 64GB variant, and you can get the mobile for 5000 mAh battery with a quad camera of 13 megapixel, 5 megapixel, 2 megapixel and 2 megapixel guys, and it's of 6.5 inch display. If you are it's of 9,500 rupees, you can purchase it. It's a nice phone guys, Infinix Hot 9. It is the new company which has come. It is growing very well guys. You can buy the phone. It's nice for the basic usage of the people. And yes guys.
And guys, the next mobile is from Realme, and that's none other than Realme C3, and this phone comes with MediaTek Helio G90T processor, which is a fast gaming processor which does not have any lags, and it comes with 4GB 64GB variant of 9,999 rupees, and the back camera is of 2 megapixel and 12 megapixel, and the front camera comes with 5 megapixel, and this does not support any fast charging guys, but it comes with a micro USB port and with a 10 watts charger, adapter. And thank you guys, thanks for watching my video. Like, share and subscribe.